What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So today I'm going to talk about home security system. We have ADT ever since we moved into our new place. Initially they were really good. There's no equipment fees. Monthly fee was reasonable. But over the years, they keep raising their price. It got to a point that it's become like double what we initially signed up for. So this year, I decided, you know what, let's switch to some other home security system and see how they fare. And our neighbor recommended SimpliSafe. This is kind of like a DIY home security system. Today, I'm gonna show you the purchasing process and also unboxing what we actually bought. So I actually have a referral link down in the description below. If you want to check out the SimpliSafe for yourself, you can get discount off from that using that link as well. Just FYI, they do have 60 days of free return. So if you don't like it, you can return it within 60 days. Isn't that great? All right, so don't forget to sub if you haven't done so and like the video. And let's get started. All right, let's talk about their website. So SimpliSafe website is quite easy to navigate. Initial purchase was really simple. If you just look on their homepage and scroll down, now every now and then they will have something pop up like find the perfect system. So this, you can click whichever one you want to buy your system for, if it's house, apartment, or business, and they will kind of give you a general idea of what kind of stuff that you need, like how big is your property, says average, and how many doors you have. I'll say one, and then enter an email. They will send you a package kind of suitable for your property. You can also see like the comparison between the SimpliSafe and the traditional home security system. Just kind of general stuff, talk about their system. But anyway, let's go to shop now. They do give you 60 days of trying out. If you are not satisfied, then you can return and get your full refund. So here is all the stuff that they have. Now, I went ahead and did the build my system. So my system is kind of customized rather than the standard package that they have. So for standard package one, they have the Haven, which come in 14 pieces, and the Knox. They also have different variety. The Essential, I think, is the most people will get, but like we add on more stuff to it. So currently they have a deal that when you buy a package, you get simply Cam for free. But if you use the referral link down below, you will get even more discount and free stuff depending on the season and the month. Now, I also ordered the video doorbell, but that hasn't arrived yet. They have a back order. So let me just show you how you build your system. So you see here, free security camera. That's you can apply the deal. So you can select however many entry sensor that you need. So I would suggest how many doors you have, then that's how many you will be needing. Front door, garage door, and also if you have a door to the backyard. Motion sensor, I got one for my downstairs, and that's what I needed. Now simply Cam, if you need more, then you can also purchase more here, but just keep that in mind, you're already getting one free one with your package. And glass break sensor. Now this one will come in handy if you have a lot of glass window that you need to be monitored off. So I got two of that with the system. Let me just select them. So this one I end up getting entry. I got three. This I got one. And panic button, I got one. Now I didn't get the smoke detector or carbon monoxide sensor. That's because we already have Nest detector at home, so we don't need any more of this since we already have a similar one for Nest. Now a temperature sensor, this just kind of triggers when the temperature of your home dip below 41 Fahrenheit. And water sensor, that's if you have a water damage or water break happen at home. We didn't get those. If you're doing bundle, you already have a keypad that comes with it. So this is the standard base station and the wireless keypad. You just need to add the accessory to that. So if you don't need that, then you can skip this. Key fob, we didn't get one because I already have a pen and button. And I also get one extra siren, so add that. Now, the yard sign is already included as well. So if you need more, you can purchase one that's for $3.99. Pro setup, well, okay, from what I understand, the SimpliSafe is very easy to set up, so I didn't opt for that option. So anyway, so this came out to be $327. I just show you what my base system is. My doorbell hasn't arrived yet, so this is what I currently have. And then you will get 20% off for your system with interactive monitoring. So what the interactive monitoring does is that for any of the video footage, it will store in the cloud for 30 days. And there's no contract, so you can cancel anytime. But if you want to pay full price, will be $409, 20% off. First month is free, by the way. So it will come down to be $327 before tax. So on the next page, you'll be seeing this. Now you could change your plan. So the standard version comes out to be about $15 a month instead of the $25 a month for the interactive plan. So as you can see, interactive plan, there's a lot more going on than the standard version. The one on the caveat is that in order for you to use the SimpliSafe app, you need to be on the interactive plan. So yeah, that's one of the downside. Otherwise, you don't have to. And also another thing is that if you just want to have the system by itself, you could just not using any of their monitoring service. So yeah, that's just the worrying part. Okay, as you were able to watch, the purchasing process is very simple. And as I mentioned in the video, the doorbell hasn't arrived yet because they are in the back order. So this is why I actually received the rest of the stuff. So they come in the little box. It's not that big, actually. Here on one side, it mentioned SimpliSafe. And on the other side, home security done right. So let's unbox it for the first time. I don't actually know how everything lay out in there just yet. Okay, so this is the box itself. Here's the invoice. I'm going to skip that because it has all my info on there. Now, here is the package. They have a yard sign. This looks pretty sturdy. Setup guide. It tells you how to set things up. I might have to review this off camera. Let's see what else is in here. All right, they have window stickers. This is all free, by the way. I mean, you can purchase more, but the first set is free. So they have 2 window sticker, 1 yard sign. Those are came with the bundle. Okay, now here are the goodies I ordered. So here is the base station. Here's the free Simply Cam, the yard sign stay keypad. This thing is actually pretty heavy. One, the entry sensor, glass break, extra siren, motion detector, the pen and button. Oh, 2 other entry sensor. And the last one is a glass break. So these 2 are actually you have to order. I mean, I did the bundle. I can add stuff to it, but these are the base. You need to have the base station and the keypad. So continue with the unboxing. So we have a power adapter, SimpliSafe power adapter. Okay, so aside from the power adapter, here is the base unit. Here's a speaker on top, please remove to activate batteries. So there's a battery inside in case of a power outage. So this is the base. Okay, now the keypad itself. Yeah, so this one is pretty simple. You can peel this off, and then also please remove to activate batteries. I'm going to look into it a little bit later, and that's the keypad. All right, so this is the entry sensor. Now I ordered a bunch of them. I'm not going to show you each one of them because they all the same. So I'm just going to open up one of them to show you. Oh, see, they're pretty tight. Okay, I dropped this, but this is the screws that I guess you can screw onto the wall or the places that you want to place this at. So this is the entry sensor. So this one is the glass break. I also ordered a couple of them, so I'm not going to show you everyone, but just open up one to show you what's inside. Okay, so this one also has a bunch of double-sided tape on the back, and they come with screws as well. So you can either screw it on or just tape it on. And this also says, please remove to activate batteries. This is the sensor itself. This has to be placed within 10 feet of the glass itself. So it has to be relatively close by. And how it works is that it detects sounds that similar to glass breaking. So then if your window is broken from the outside, then it will trigger the sensor. And this is the glass break. All right, the next item is the extra siren. Now the base unit has siren itself, but is less decibel. So let's see, here's some screws. And this one, the extra siren itself is supposed to be even louder. So please remove to activate battery. And this is the extra siren itself. And now we have the panic button. So one of the things I kind of regret not to get is the key fob itself. But then we are mostly home, so it doesn't really matter. The key fob just kind of make things a little bit easier to enter into a house. But I opt for a panic button instead. On the back, it also has double-sided tape. And it also came with screws. So I guess you can put this in a fixed point somewhere. And that's the panic button. And now we have the Simply Cam. Oh, you can tilt this. So, and this is the Simply Cam. All right, next we have the yard sign stick. All right, so here it is. I think these three can be combined into one. So this is the yard sign stick. Okay, lastly is the motion detector. They all have tips on the back, so you should read this before you install. And also comes with screws. The motion detector also has a bunch of double-sided tape on the back. It comes with screws and please remove to activate batteries. And this is what it looks like. And that's the motion detector. Okay, so that was the purchasing and also unboxing of the SimpliSafe. On the next video, I'll be talking about the installation itself and also how to use the SimpliSafe app as well. Until then, bye-bye.